In the vast ecosystem of business software, Zoho stands out as a unique contender. Unlike many companies that specialize in one or two core products, Zoho offers an incredibly expansive suite of applications, over 50 of them, ranging from CRM and project management to accounting, HR, and even email. This breadth of offerings often leads to a fundamental question for potential users. Do I have to pay for Zoho? As a project management expert who has navigated various software landscapes, I can confirm that the answer to "do I have to pay for Zoho?" is nuanced. It depends on which Zoho application you need and the scale of your operations. Zoho operates on a freemium model for many of its individual applications, meaning they offer free plans with limited features or user counts, alongside various paid tiers that unlock more advanced functionality and higher limits. Furthermore, they offer an all-encompassing bundle called Zoho One, which aggregates many of their applications into a single, comprehensive subscription. Let's break down this pricing structure to give you a clearer picture. The freemium model, a taste of Zoho. Many popular Zoho applications, particularly those aimed at individual users, startups, or very small teams, offer a forever free plan. This is a significant advantage for those with limited budgets or who are just starting out and need basic functionality without immediate financial commitment. Examples of Zoho apps with free plans. Zoho CRM offers a free edition for up to 3 users with essential features like lead, contact, account, and deal management, basic reporting, and mobile apps. This is ideal for solopreneurs or microbusinesses looking to move away from spreadsheets for customer relationship tracking. Zoho Projects provides a free plan for up to 3 users and 2 projects, with 5 gigabytes of storage. This can be a great starting point for small teams or individuals managing a couple of personal or small-scale projects. It includes basic task management, subtasks, and document sharing. Zohobooks Accounting offers a free plan for solopreneurs and microbusinesses, allowing them to manage basic accounting tasks. Zoho Desk Help Desk has a free plan for up to 3 agents, providing email ticketing, a help center, customer portal, and basic automation. This is perfect for very small customer support teams. Zoho Mail offers a free email service with custom domains, though limitations apply compared to paid versions. What to expect from free plans? While free forever sounds appealing, it's essential to understand the typical limitations. User limits. Most free plans are restricted to a very small number of users, e.g., 1 to 3 users. Feature limitations. Advanced features like extensive automation, deep analytics, robust customization, integrations with other tools, and larger storage capacities are usually reserved for paid plans. Project/record limits. Some applications might limit the number of projects you can manage or the number of records you can store, e.g., contacts in CRM. Support. Free plans often come with basic community support or email support with slower response times, as opposed to priority or phone support for paid users. For a project manager evaluating tools, these free plans are excellent for pilot projects, individual task management, or for very small teams to get a feel for the software before committing financially. They are fantastic for learning the interface and understanding the core capabilities. Paid plans. Unlocking more power. As your business grows, your needs will inevitably become more complex. This is where Zoho's various paid plans come into play. Each individual Zoho application typically has multiple paid tiers, e.g., Standard, Professional, Enterprise, that incrementally offer more features, higher limits, and better support. Key features often unlocked in paid plans include increased user count, scalability to accommodate larger teams, advanced automation, workflow automation, blueprints, custom functions to automate repetitive tasks, comprehensive reporting and analytics, deeper insights into project performance, sales pipelines, customer interactions, etc. Integrations. Connecting with other Zoho apps and third-party services. Customization. Tailoring the software to your specific business processes, custom fields, layouts, and branding. Storage. Significantly more cloud storage for documents, files, and data. Dedicated support, faster response times, phone support, and sometimes a dedicated account manager. Specific industry features. Some higher tiers might offer features tailored to particular industries. The pricing for these individual applications varies widely depending on the specific app and the tier you choose, usually on a per-user, per-month basis with discounts for annual billing. Zoho One, the operating system for business. For businesses that require a comprehensive suite of tools across various departments, sales, marketing, customer service, finance, HR, project management, etc., Zoho offers Zoho One. This is not a single application, but a bundle that provides access to virtually all of Zoho's 50-plus applications under one subscription. Zoho One's pricing is structured in two main ways. All-employee pricing. This is often the more cost-effective option for companies committed to using Zoho broadly. It requires you to purchase licenses for all full-time employees, regardless of whether they use every single app. This ensures everyone has access to the tools they need as their roles evolve. Flexible user pricing. This option is more expensive per user but allows you to pay only for the users who actively need access to the Zoho One suite. It's suitable for businesses where only a subset of employees will heavily utilize the integrated Zoho applications. Zoho One represents a significant investment compared to individual app subscriptions, but it offers unparalleled integration and breadth of functionality. For a project manager overseeing a complex organization, Zoho One could mean that the project management tool seamlessly integrates with CRM, accounting, and HR, leading to a truly unified operational environment. The verdict for a project management expert. So, do you have to pay for Zoho? For basic needs, experimentation, or very small teams/individuals? No, you can leverage the free plans of individual Zoho applications to get started. This is an excellent way to evaluate if the interface and core features align with your project management style or business needs. For growing teams, advanced features, or specific business requirements. Yes, you will likely need to subscribe to one of the paid tiers for individual Zoho applications. The cost will depend on the app, the number of users, and the level of features you require. For a fully integrated, comprehensive business operating system. Yes, Zoho One is a paid subscription. It's designed for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution across their entire operations.